What up, Tube? A little earlier than normal today. Today we're going to work on Colts car again. Hopefully we get a little bit of backstory on what's going on there. It's a super special build for him and I'm honored to be a part of it. So stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Time to get to work. Came in cold, showed me some cool shit. Check it out. Now, isn't that just the fucking raddest thing you've ever seen in your entire life? Now that we got that body off the frame, I'll show you what we're gonna do today. We're gonna finish up lots of welding. We need to get those shock mounts put where they need to be. Weld up this steering box that we made last time. Finish welding that cross member in. And we also need the top bar links put in as well. So make a cross member, run some top bars, and then bob the rear end. I'm working on getting these top bars put in the 4-link. So I'm gonna cut a cross member in here, get these top bars tacked in. That axle's already set where it needs to be with the pinion angle. Colt's cleaning some stuff up there, and then we got a shit ton of welding to do. So after a little bit of fit and fab, frame's pretty well cleaned up and ready for all the final welding. We got the top bars in the 4-link, nice and straight. The bottom bars are tacked in. We did run that suspension through a full cycle all the way up and down, and we have 0 left to right movement, which is great. So now we're gonna do a little bit of fab here and get these coilovers mounted and put down here. And they'll mount off the bottom there to the frame. A little bit of an angle, straight up and down. These guys have a good amount of adjustment to them. And yeah, that rear suspension will be pretty complete. While Colt finishes up those front shock towers and getting those lined up and welded in, I'm gonna do a bunch of welding and get this steering box bracket that we fabbed up the other day put in there permanently. That guy sits nice and flush in the frame. So I'm gonna get that welded, and this transmission cross member welded, and weld some more. The 31's coming along. Colts cutting the back off. We got those coilovers in. Getting ready to get that ass end taken off. 4 lengths in. Everything else is pretty well welded. Gotta finish cutting this thing off and then flip it over and weld everything from the other side. But we now got a rolling chassis. Looking good. So that's going to be about it for this episode. Let me show you what all we did. So now 4 links in. We got our coilover shocks installed. Most of the welding's done. To be determined if we got to put a drive shaft hoop in there or not. It's going to be close. Finished welding up the box and the transmission from the bottom or from the top, and we'll flip it over here and do all the welding from the underside the smart way, since we have a body off there. That's it for today. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the channel, follow along. You can do it too. Watch some videos, cut some stuff, build yourself a cool card. From Handmade Hooligan. Everybody have a good time.